Hello everyone, this is Akila. I am going to talk about transportation business. Ganeshan Transportation run by Ganeshan. He transport goods from hub to hub and only bulk orders is taken. During COVID, he started this business because he felt that transportation is the long lasting business. Before starting business, he was working in the jewelry with no idea. Then after knowing how the business runs, he got interest in starting business of his own. Brought one lorry on credit base, then with the help of brokers, he got some bookings like from Kannur to Kozhikode on contract base. His profit amount will split it for further expenses like lorry rent, petrol, tollgate, drivers, salary and so on. If only he got booking for 5000 kilometer, he can get profit below that leads to loss. Now he already owns 3 lorries. Then in 2 months of time he has planned to purchase one more lorry. Target 12,000 kilometer is the target of one lorry. He classified risk taking in basis business into three types. Cost management, it is the main thing. If it is not maintained properly correctly, everything else is just waste of time. Customer relations, he only deals with genuine customers. Employee relations, he maintain good relations with his employees. Drivers, he maintain a friendly relationship with them, and even though he has GPS tracker, he do not use or check unnecessarily. He only appoints people aged above 45 with experience as employee. As he maintains good relations, trust built within them, and people advice of his business through word of mouth. Self motivation. Before starting this business, he did not he did everything unknowingly with work without meaning in whatever he does. Then he started fixing target to motivate himself by completing the targets. He always care for next stage, even it is plus or minus. We like to take risk. Loss management, he do not like wasting time. He says simply it leads to things transported, food, industries, machines and ESI medicines transported through Bangalore to Chennai. So this is the small gatherings of Ganesh Transports. Thank you.